What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at some of the boxes that you have sent to us. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy is Popeye, and this little girl is Amelia. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. I love saying that with the whole family here. It's awesome. And when I do say that, I hope you guys know that you're a part of this family too. It's our RC family. That's the whole point. Well, today, as I said in the beginning of the video, we're going to take a look at some of the boxes that you have sent us. We're such lucky people to have amazing people like you watching. Not only watching, but sending us cool stuff. You think of us, stuff that you know we like, and hook us up, or stuff you think we might like, just neat things, fun things. It's really awesome to know that we're in your thoughts, and you want to send us stuff. So we are so grateful that we want to make dedicated videos when we do that, and give dedicated shout outs. And so that's what this video is about. If you're a regular viewer and you're only here for the RC content, this is a little off the beaten path. It's hot. It's hot.
Burning up.
We've been working in the house pretty hard. But anyway, that's what this video is going to be about. Maybe you just want to set us down if we're on your phone and just kind of listen as we, look at this stuff. If something piques your interest, take a look at it with us. Maybe work on your RC stuff right now. This would be a good chance to do that, but definitely let the video keep playing. So let's just jump right in while Amelia's being good, and we'll take a look. I'm just going to do what I can reach first. These aren't necessarily in what order that we've gotten them. What we like to do is let stuff kind of pile up a little bit, and then, do one video rather than doing these videos every time the box comes. So this is from Michael Baney.
Michael Baney and Jen from Niagara Falls.
Yes.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
They sent Amelia. Look. You got a pillow, or for me. I'm not really sure if it's Amelia or for me, but it has a big A on it.
That's what I was going to say. It could be you too.
That's very cute. Thank you.
You can share it, and me and Popeye will sit in the corner without a pillow.
They sent Nate a big bag of turkey. Sweet baby rays. You like that?
No, Popeye's stealing the show, but I wanted you guys to see that Amelia sits up on her own now. There's no hands. She's just sitting up.
Why, I don't know if there's anything in here for you.
No, well, I'll share the jerky.
Some Tim Hortons coffee for me, the coffee drinker.
Now, can I pause right there and just tell you something? I found this kind of funny. It's all a matter of world perspectives, but Michael and Jen went on a trip to New York, and they said their
New York City.
City, yeah, I believe so. They said their favorite coffee while they were there was this coffee they sent us, Tim Hortons. I don't think they knew that we've got a Tim Hortons right here in Ashland, which is just, I think it's kind of funny because when we travel, sometimes one of my favorite places to eat, where is it? One of my new favorite places, Krispy Kreme.
Oh yeah.
When I go on vacation, I have to get Krispy Kreme because we don't have one here in Ashland, and so I just love some fresh Krispy Kreme donuts.
And they sent us some Niagara Falls mugs, but it's the Niagara Sunday Flyers Inc., and so I'm guessing that's their club that they're members of.
Yeah, that's actually really cool. I'll drink some coffee this winter. I drink coffee in the winter.
I drink coffee always, even when I'm sweating.
While Abby's getting this one, I'm going to give a pause shout out to, I'm pausing the video now, even though it's pausing, to Stan Brewer, because a month or two ago, around Easter time, he sent us some awesome little candy snacks from the Vermont Country Store. And they were good. I just would get a glass of milk and eat one, and Vermont Country Store has some good stuff. But that was such a nice gesture to Stan. Thank you. And
he also sent us some money.
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah, a pretty penny too. So thank you so much, Stan.
Yes.
We are actually getting ready to buy a new camera that you should see on the channel soon.
That'll probably help with that.
Hopefully we like the camera.
If not, we will return and get all of our money back.
And get another one.
Yes.
We had our eye on several, and we went with our cheapest option, and so we'll see if we like it or not. Yeah. All right, Stan, we read your letter when we got it, but I always love all the colors. Amelia, all this stuff right here is for you.
That's cool.
We have some safety straps. See, safety straps.
For cabinets and stuff?
Yeah,
probably?
I don't know, for stuff.
Cool. All right, we'll figure it out.
And we have these little foam toys. I think this might be fun to put in the pool when we go swimming. Look at all these.
It almost looks like it would go on her wrist or something.
I'm sure it can do all sorts of things. Let's see, we have some, I think these are socks. So Stan already sent some of those puppet socks and she likes those. So you have more little ducky socks.
Oh, those have little grippies on the bottom.
Yeah, so she can actually wear those. That's cute.
Yeah.
Nice, they're not just for playing.
So she sits up very well, but since she's on my lap, I'm kind of...
Bunny socks, frog socks, some more safety latch things that I don't really know what they're for, but we'll figure it out.
And that's what it looks like.
And let's see, we have some more foam things. I think that's supposed to be a butterfly and a ladybug.
That's cool. People like plan ahead.
No, don't eat that.
And help plan. Like as she's getting older, people are like, here in the next month or two, you're gonna need this.
Yes.
Well, I didn't even think of that. Thank you.
So Stan, as soon as you sent this, I threw it in the washer and washed it for Amelia, and we put her in it. She was not a fan.
No, she didn't like it.
And that was before she could sit up on her own, but she just wasn't a fan. But
look, she sits up now.
She tried, but you always say find a good home for it, so we will.
Yes.
So thank you for the thought.
Anyone that ever sends anything, nothing ever goes to any level of waste in any way, shape, or form.
Now I know we opened all this.
Most of the time we keep it and enjoy it ourselves, but Stan is always very upfront about that. So
this was from Stan too.
I don't think I remember this. What is that?
All right, is this for yeah.
Oh, he is included. Come here, buddy. Come on. He hasn't had a squeaky toy in a while.
Right? Is this dog friendly?
Yeah, I'd say. It's gotta be. That one's gotta be. Yeah, that's possible. Bye-bye, go get your new ball.
A ball.
Nice. Why'd you do that during this video? He's gonna squeak it the whole time now. You get it, buddy.
Happy baby. I think this is like a baby tint. I read the letter, Stan, when you sent it, but it's hard to remember because you sent it a while ago. I think this is like a tint thing, right? Oh goodness. Oh yeah, look, it folds in like one of in these bags. It's like one of those things that you twist.
Yeah.
So it's like a little
so she can just like
bag.
sleep outside, maybe. That's pretty cool. Mosquito free. That picture doesn't do a great job there, but the little... I got it. That's pretty cool. I like that.
And this made me laugh when I saw it, and I should have been using it this whole time, actually. For when she starts sitting up and stuff, you can put this backpack on your baby.
Oh, that's cool. If she falls over?
Back.
Oh, nice. I like that.
But she's pretty good. She only falls every once in a while.
When she does it, you know. Oh.
She's not happy if she does.
Kind of hurts a little
bit. Look at that, girly, and it's a bunny, and it says "I heart mama." And let's see, were these for Popeye?
Yeah. I actually already
opened it.
When they came, he was so excited because he can smell it a little bit. And he knows it's for him. See, and I gave him one, and I tell you, they smell like something that I should be eating.
They do. Kitchen crafted natural dog treats. It's chicken apple sausage recipe. It actually does smell really good.
It smells really good. I must be hungry.
This was something for Popeye, right?
Yeah.
Because he bought us a backpack. I think we showed them the backpack maybe the last time.
Yeah.
Isn't this like a
similar style?
Or is this the backpack?
That might be the backpack. I think it's a doggy backpack.
I can't remember. I forget sometimes.
His little head pops out of that, right? Yeah.
Yeah. He put it.
Yeah. You go on long hikes if he can't keep up.
Oh, Popeye can keep up. Popeye, look, you have a backpack to sit in.
When he gets old.
Yeah.
We'll probably keep it. Oh, more. Oh, this matches our poop emoji pillow, Abby. I don't even remember getting this. Oh, that is cool. Listen.
This is a lot of stuff for Popeye from the stand.
This crinkles. Popeye, that's a new toy, buddy. Oh, this is a bark box. This is part of the bark box.
Yeah, but I think Stan had it sent to him, and he put it in some of the stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, he said, Popeye missed out even from me. I felt bad. I think that was our last mail video, our mail time video. Popeye didn't get anything. I think Stan noticed. So thanks, Stan.
I'll have to cut the tags off of this, buddy, but he loves that. Look at that. You can't see it. He's carrying that with the packaging.
So I like these. Look, this is a bowl, portable little bowl.
We went out the other day and we had already opened this. We knew that these came in the box, and I was looking for these.
Yeah,
because we were looking for his little, like a bowl to bring, and I said, Abby, bring the one that folds down flat. We'll put it in the bag. That's cool. Woo!
And he sent 2 sets of pacifiers, so 4 pacifiers for Amelia. I like this one because it has a sailboat and it has a
backhoe.
Yeah,
that's cool.
That's cool. In pink and purple. So thank you for that. This is cool because this is a brush for Popeye.
Nice.
That's all like.
Yeah.
What do you think, Amelia?
I like that.
She probably likes it too. And a doggy toothbrush. How does that work? That is crazy looking. Hold on, I have to show them this. Look at that. Look at this, Popeye.
He's already gotta let me know it. And then these are the dental bones.
He likes those.
He actually really likes these, even though they're minty. He likes them a lot. He's almost out of the ones we bought him, so.
We have to wait to open this, buddy. We'll wait till your other ones are gone.
She's attacking my hand. Oh my goodness. So not long ago, maybe a few years, we met a guy, very nice guy named Pete. And he stopped by our airfield. We flew together. I think we got some food or something. And we've had a few visits after that. Like, he does an annual trip, and very nice guy. He just got to retire, and he's truly enjoying the hobby at its finest now, and visiting a family and stuff too. So he sent us a nice letter with pictures. So I like that. I like getting pictures so I get to see you guys and see, you know us. We put our faces in front of you on your TVs, your phones, your whatever, 15, 20 minutes a day. We never get to see you, so it's really nice. I like the pictures, don't you? I always like getting pictures.
Yep. So these are body clips with zip ties on the
fuel line.
No, these are zip ties.
Yeah, but there's fuel line around it.
Fuel line around it. So if your body clips fall off,
which ours do. As a matter of fact, you needed some. You needed like 4,
yeah,
so you can have those.
And this was from Carrie Andrews, and he said he was really annoyed that we don't do this. So he sent us some so we could learn how to do it.
It's actually really awesome.
Yeah, it's just a matter of doing it.
Yes. Yeah.
So thank you, Carrie. That was funny. We got a good laugh of that because you thought about us.
The time that you guys have to craft neat things like that, we are editing behind the scenes. It takes, for however long it takes to shoot this, it takes like 3 to 4 times that amount of time to edit the video. That's where most of our crafty time goes, is editing this and stuff.
Now, someone sent to our P.O. box a giant roach.
I think I know who sent this, but I don't want to say for sure.
It just came in like an Amazon box, I think, like this. So,
yes.
I don't know who sent this, but this is really kind of creepy. Gives
Very
me
creepy.
creeps.
But funny, and I think we'll probably have to. I think we'll play around with that. Maybe we'll save it for this winter when we need an inside thing to do.
It's always good for winter time.
And
thank you,
next
whoever sent that.
Our parents come over or something, we'll be getting that out, and they're not going to know we have that.
So our friend Jan Whitley sent me a Mother's Day card, and I thought that was really sweet that she thought of me on Mother's Day. They thought of me too. Got me a pretty necklace, so thank you.
You're welcome.
But Jan sent me an Amazon gift card, so that was really nice. I haven't picked out anything yet, but I will. So thank you for thinking of me. And Jan thought of Nathan.
She hooked me up. I had a very sad day not long ago, you guys. I wrecked one of my favorite planes, and they basically stopped selling it, at least where I knew they were selling it. But Jan managed to find a way.
A lot of you guys put in the comments where you could buy this still, and that's where she bought it from, and she had it sent to us. So.
And that's amazing, because this truly has been my favorite plane to fly. It's not the most acrobatic, it's not the most docile, it's like the perfect medium of everything. I mean, it's pretty big and powerful, but it's not crazy. It can't climb forever, but you've seen the Zazzy on the channel before. But this is amazing. Yeah,
he was really bummed for like a few days or so.
I couldn't believe it happened because it was out of my control. It just died midair. Yeah. So I don't know if it was, I still think it was my little battery connector that I was using.
I think so too.
That was the weak point. But yes, the Zazzy. I'm sorry it's not together yet on the channel. We've just been, we got the Xiaomi drone. We're trying to get that in the air, and you know, got some other distractions going on, front yard work and stuff. But trust me, I am so happy, so relieved that we have this now, that I have this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So guys, what do you think, Amelia? She can sit up. She just wants her toy. Pow! She's got her toy. Abby's got to go. She's going to buy herself something from Amazon for Mother's Day, and I got my Zazzy. I'm very happy. I don't think we've missed anything. If anyone has sent anything to this point, I'm pretty sure we think we're all caught up. So if we missed anything...
Unless there's something sitting in the P.O. box right now.
Right. terribly sorry if we have missed anything, but the point of this video is just to say thank you. I mean, we just want to share what we get from you guys and just say thanks, because this is above and beyond to be thinking of us like this. Most of you guys that are sending stuff are also patrons, and so, you know, the direct physical support of showing that you're thinking of us is awesome, but also the Patreon support really, truly is what helps keep our channel going, because without...
Come on, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
Come
Come on. He's got his poop emoji he's playing with. I gotta cut the tags off of that. Good boy. He's just as happy as always, guys. He's just as happy as always. Coffee.
You don't like coffee. You like the smell of coffee. She's always very interested in when I drink coffee. Mommy's phone.
If you're a new subscriber to the channel and you're just tuning in, maybe this is your first fan mail video of ours that you've watched and stuck through all the way, I'd like to just let you guys know that you can send us something if you want to, but you absolutely don't have to. But if you want to, we have our P.O. box listed in the description box below. And if you want to support us just financially to help keep the channel going, YouTube earnings are way different than they used to be and a lot less than they used to be. So if you want to jump in and help out, $1, anywhere in between, all of our tiers that we have, it all helps quite a bit. And we have some fun ones too, like text, it's our top tier, but you can text me if you want.
And our P.O. box is down in the description box. This is why I don't wear my hair down ever anymore. Down in the description box below, if you want to send us something, that's where you can find all the info to where you send it.
I already said that.
Well, I said it too.
Okay. Guys, thank you. Just thanks for watching our normal videos. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you so much for sending us stuff and thinking of us. Every time we do this, it just blows my mind. I can't believe that we're part of your lives that way, and it just really means a lot to me. Amelia says thanks. Popeye especially says thanks for this one. He got a lot of stuff.
I can say thank you, so thank you.
Yeah. And thank you guys just for thinking of all of us. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Tell him.
She's being quiet.
She is.
That's okay.
Bye!